Okay, we're going to talk about reading glasses. Don't shoot the messenger. At least once a day, I have a patient who comes into my office, never worn glasses their whole lives, perfect distance vision, but all of a sudden, now that they're 41, 42, they're starting to notice an issue up close with reading. And of course, we're all looking up close at screens all day, no matter what we do for a living. The fact of the matter is that as we head into our 40s and 50s, the muscle in our eye that focuses at near starts to deteriorate. It's less elastic, and it can't do that focus at that 2 to 3 feet that we're reading. Even 1 foot, depending on wherever you hold something, it's not as elastic as it used to be. Sound familiar? What this means is we need to start helping that muscle out with reading glasses. If you're in your early 40s, it might be a +1. If you get a little bit older, it might be a 150, and so on. As we age, we need more magnification in those reading glasses. Again, this is a great rule of thumb for those of you who do not wear distance glasses. So reading glasses are a no-brainer. I know that a lot of us don't want to have to wear them. I know that we're not happy about having to wear them. But what happens when you don't wear them? You start to get signs of tired, achy eyes by the end of the day. You start to feel a little bit of that tension headache around here, especially if you work at a computer all day. What is also going to start to happen is your vision's going to sort of spasm when you're going between distance focusing and near focusing. In other words, you're reading, and then all of a sudden you want to look up and talk to a friend or even get in your car and drive, and it's going to be really difficult refocusing. And that's because you're overworking the last bit of that muscle you have in your eye that focuses at near. So you're not leaving any room for error. You're not leaving any reserve muscle to relax. Reading glasses help you relax the reserve muscle that you have. It is a myth that wearing reading glasses makes you need them more. I promise that's not true. By the way, you can get yourself a pair of $10 reading glasses in the drugstore, and those are just as effective as a more expensive brand that you can have made in an optical shop. What I advise my patients to do is to try the drugstore brands first, see how they do, and that way, if they find a pair they like, they can buy several of them and kind of keep them everywhere without breaking the bank.